Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the primary material used by ironsmiths to make daily use items? Option A, copper. Option B, aluminium. Option C, iron. Option D, wood. The correct answer is iron. What property allows metals to be beaten into thin sheets? Option A, ductility. Option B, malleability. Option C, sonority. Option D, conductivity. The correct answer is malleability. Which metal is known to be liquid at room temperature? Option A, sodium. Option B, potassium. Option C, mercury. Option D, iron. The correct answer is mercury. What is the term for materials that can be drawn into wires? Option A, malleable. Option B, ductile. Option C, sonorous. Option D, conductive. The correct answer is ductile. Which of the following is a property of metals? Option A, brittleness. Option B, ductility. Option C, softness. Option D, non-lustrous. The correct answer is ductility. What is the sound produced by metals when struck called? Option A, sonority. Option B, malleability. Option C, ductility. Option D, conductivity. The correct answer is sonority. Which of the following is a good conductor of heat? Option A, wood. Option B, plastic. Option C, metal. Option D, coal. The correct answer is metal. What happens to iron when it comes into contact with both air and water? Option A, it rusts. Option B, it melts. Option C, it becomes stronger. Option D, it turns to dust. The correct answer is it rusts. What is the brown deposit formed on iron called? Option A, corrosion. Option B, rust. Option C, oxide. Option D, luster. The correct answer is rust. Which of the following metals is stored in kerosene to prevent reactions? Option A, copper. Option B, sodium. Option C, iron. Option D, aluminium. The correct answer is sodium. What is the basic nature of metal oxides? Option A, acidic. Option B, neutral. Option C, basic. Option D, alkaline. The correct answer is basic. Which nonmetal is essential for respiration? Option A, carbon. Option B, oxygen. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, sulfur. The correct answer is oxygen. What is the process of gradual deterioration of metal surfaces due to air and water called? Option A, rusting. Option B, corrosion. Option C, oxidation. Option D, decomposition. The correct answer is corrosion. Which metal is known for its high malleability? Option A, iron. Option B, gold. Option C, copper. Option D, aluminium. The correct answer is gold. What is the property of metals that allows them to conduct electricity? Option A, insulation. Option B, conductivity. Option C, resistance. Option D, absorption. The correct answer is conductivity. Which of the following nonmetals is used in water purification? Option A, oxygen. Option B, chlorine. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, carbon. The correct answer is chlorine. What happens to metals when they react with oxygen? Option A, they become liquid. Option B, they form basic oxides. Option C, they dissolve. Option D, they become non-metallic. The correct answer is they form basic oxides. Which metal is often used in electrical wiring? Option A, iron. Option B, copper. Option C, aluminium. Option D, gold. The correct answer is copper. What is the main reason for using wood for handles of metal tools? Option A, wood is cheaper. Option B, wood is lighter. Option C, wood does not conduct heat. Option D, wood is more durable. The correct answer is wood does not conduct heat. What type of materials are known as poor conductors of electricity? Option A, metals. Option B, non-metals. Option C, alloys. Option D, compounds. The correct answer is non-metals. Which of the following is a characteristic of non-metals? Option A, malleable. Option B, ductile. Option C, lustrous. Option D, dull. The correct answer is dull. What is the effect of moisture on iron objects? Option A, they shine. Option B, they rust. Option C, they become magnetic. Option D, they become brittle. The correct answer is they rust. What is the main use of gold in daily life? Option A, construction. Option B, jewelry. Option C, electrical wiring. Option D, cooking utensils. The correct answer is jewelry. What happens to a metal when it is heated? Option A, it becomes brittle. Option B, it expands. Option C, it shrinks. Option D, it dissolves. The correct answer is it expands. What type of reaction occurs when magnesium burns in air? Option A, combustion. Option B, corrosion. Option C, oxidation. Option D, reduction. The correct answer is combustion. Which of the following is a characteristic of metals? Option A, softness. Option B, brittleness. Option C, luster. Option D, dullness. The correct answer is luster. What is the term for the process of forming rust on iron? Option A, oxidation. Option B, corrosion. Option C, deterioration. Option D, decomposition. The correct answer is corrosion. What is the main reason for using metals in construction? Option A, they are lightweight. Option B, they are strong. Option C, they are non-corrosive. Option D, they are cheap. The correct answer is they are strong. What happens to sulfur when it is mixed with water? Option A, it dissolves. Option B, it reacts. Option C, it forms a solution. Option D, no reaction occurs. The correct answer is no reaction occurs. Which of the following is a property of sodium? Option A, it is a gas. Option B, it is stored in oil. Option C, it is non-reactive. Option D, it is a good conductor of heat. The correct answer is, it is stored in oil. What is the primary reason for using metals in electrical applications? Option A, they are cheap. Option B, they are strong. Option C, they are good conductors. Option D, they are lightweight. The correct answer is, they are good conductors. What is the main characteristic of nonmetals like sulfur and phosphorus? Option A, they are malleable. Option B, they are ductile. Option C, they are soft and dull. Option D, they are lustrous. The correct answer is, they are soft and dull. What is the purpose of galvanization? Option A, to make metals shiny. Option B, to prevent rusting. Option C, to increase conductivity. Option D, to improve strength. The correct answer is, to prevent rusting. What is the basic nature of nonmetal oxides? Option A, basic. Option B, acidic. Option C, neutral. Option D, alkaline. The correct answer is acidic. Which of the following is a property of metals? Option A, non-lustrous. Option B, soft. Option C, good conductors of heat. Option D, brittle. The correct answer is good conductors of heat. What is the term for the gradual deterioration of metal surfaces? Option A, rusting. Option B, corrosion. Option C, oxidation. Option D, decomposition. The correct answer is corrosion. Which of the following nonmetals is essential for life? Option A, carbon. Option B, sulfur. Option C, phosphorus. Option D, chlorine. The correct answer is carbon. What is the main use of nitrogen in agriculture? Option A, fertilizers. Option B, pesticides. Option C, herbicides. Option D, water purification. The correct answer is fertilizers. What is the main reason metals are used for cooking utensils? Option A, they are cheap. Option B, they are durable. Option C, they conduct heat well. Option D, they are lightweight. The correct answer is they conduct heat well.